Gucci Foams Part 2, a crazy KD8 EXT, and 4 new colorways of Cruise's new shoe. I am Jacques Slade, and this is Today in Sneaks. Foamposite fans that like a sense of luxury on their sneakers are in luck, as Nike Sportswear is dropping a reverse look of the Gucci Foams that dropped a little while back. White uppers are laced with a gum bottom, and Nike just adds a touch of gym red and gorge green on the Nike swoosh at the toe, the tongue tab, the heel pull, and on the insoles. This is actually a Foamposite Pro, which adds the Nike swoosh on the side panel, and these will cost you $230 when they arrive on Friday. The Nike KD8 is taking its talents to the world of EXT with a new look that, in my opinion, is one of the best looks so far of the shoe. The upper features a woven textile with black laces and a monotone heel counter. The part that really pulls it all together is the addition of the gum outsole and the gold branding on the tongue. You can also see that they use laser crimson on the zoom, which really makes this pair pop. No release date or pricing on these quite yet, but stay close and I will update you as I hear more. Due to some injuries, Victor Cruz is not on the field right now, but he can look extra fresh on the sideline with his new signature shoe, the Air Trainer Cruz. The folks over at Complex revealed some new information about the shoe, including release dates for the 4 new colorways. The Haystack is scheduled for November 20th, the Wolf Gray for December 11th, the Black and Crimson pair is going to be on January 16th, and the Rush Blue is on February 7th. All 4 pair will cost you $150, though the Rush Blue does have a different woven piece there at the rear. Alright, for the question of the video, I want to know, what are your thoughts on Cruise's new shoe? I'm leaning towards the Haystack colorway personally, but let me know your thoughts down below. That's what I'm rocking today. It is this shoe. It is the Lunar Trout 2. This is the turf version of the shoe. This is the blueprint colorway, and these actually are available right now. I'll add a link down below if you guys want to check these out. As always, make sure you like, favorite, and subscribe, and check me over on Snapchat. Doing some cool stuff over there. Got a cool story going up today, so thank you guys that are already tuning in over on Snapchat. As always, I am Jacques Slade. This is Today in Sneaks, and I appreciate you. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Peace. A pair of eyelets that were just under the collar, and I always had trouble lacing up or getting them tight right around that area, and these definitely remedied that situation. Now, other performance details include a midfoot TPU shank to help your heel to toe transition, and
break seal. Nice, nice.